Chief Minister of Meghalaya CONRAD SANGMA had addressed a gathering at BAGHMARA on Thursday where he stated that the NPP-led MDA government in the past 4 years has initiated various welfare and infrastructure projects in South Garo Hills to accelerate development and has accorded adequate thrust to neglected regions of the state. CONRAD SANGMA told the gathering that the ongoing construction of the Captain Williamson Sangma Memorial College at a cost of Rs 12 crores will create better higher education facilities in South Garo Hills. He added that the BAGHMARA water supply scheme has also been implemented besides other road projects that will ensure connectivity in the area. Further, the Chief Minister urged upon the public to avail benefits of the Focus program and other financial assistance through interest-free loans that are being provided by the state government, as the scheme will ensure that farmers are able to enhance their productivity, avail benefits of credit linkages and strengthen access to markets.
Circuit House, Circuit House kun sakhalingat. Arutsni panglan li bauba officer usamaina, minister usamaina, ladal kapa deputy usamaina, lungsakna nam kapa biap kun matsa. Buligaman ladal Circuit House building ko ba sanction ka so kamrang abat singaha aru yakuba singgelangan machote singa inaugurate ka na magsonginga. Wanapsan laki hospital BAGHMARA civil hospital na ba halangrang yaprang roomrang shungsa ligaman additional extension building ko singa sanction ka aha yani kamrang ba boginga aru yakuba singa singgelangan machot na sila kalunginga. Una agli, ya bersini gisepon, Meghalaya state kemakon je blok building lang dungatsin. Blok ian sinan, ketar blok building korupna. Kro ketam laki